And today we're going to be looking at the Ufree Professional Clipper Set. Now these have a metal body, they have super sharp clippers, and they are ultra quiet. Let's open them up, take a look at them. We're going to trim this beard up and we're going to shave this bald head back down and just to see how they work. And then we're going to go over some more details of these clippers. Let's go ahead and we're going to open them up. And let's see. Now you're going to see that you not only get one pair of clippers, but you get a second. How cool is that? 2 for 1. And we'll go ahead and we'll start with the large set. And man, oh man, these are nice. This is like a solid metal housing. So it all has a solid metal housing. The cap does feel like it is plastic that's gold plated, but man, these things are tough. These are super rugged looking. Rugged is a poor word. They look very high quality. It's like just a solid molded piece of aluminum. Let's see what the clippers look like. All gold gratings. The company's name is Ufree. You can adjust your cutting height right here. Very cool. And the smaller pair for smaller details and touch-ups. Right here as well. Same exact full metal housing, gold inlays, has the Ufree crown on it. And check out these on-off switches. It's almost like a vintage rocker. This is kind of like a cross between that 60s or 70s style clipper with all the modern amenities. Go ahead and take the little safety clip off. See right here the switch? Check this out. How cool is that? And how quiet. Very nice. What's good about quiet clippers is when you're using them on children or younger kids, it gets quite intimidating when there's a lot of vibration and sound. These are very low vibration and they're very quiet. And when you turn them on, you also have your LCD display right here. This is charged to 100% and it is also a multicolored display as well. Very cool. Let's see what this one looks like. Just like that. Very nice. So let's see what else we're going to get in the package. Now that's kind of a cool feature. If you look on the end here, you have a USB-C for charging, but you also have a cord. So if this was to die on you and you were still cutting your hair, they give you the cord that you can actually run it off of. How cool is that? So you would just plug that into a USB-C, plug this into your clipper like so, and you can use them with a cord. Very nice. And then they also give you the USB to USB-C charge cord. They're going to give you a little bottle of oil to help maintain and clean these things, keep them working in tip-top shape. And they have the full variety of guards. Now these guards are really nice. I'll show you how they're different. They actually have little metal plaques on them to help them stay onto the razor so they clip on better, just like so. And it also has it engraved in here, clipper B, and then it says 3/16 or 4.5 millimeter. So very cool. And then they're going to give you the fine clippers as well, and this is for the smaller of the two, and they're just more like your standard clippers. These will be the ones that you would want to use on your beard and eyebrows and around your ears and things like that. And this is for the serious business, the heavy work. They do give you cleaning brushes as well, and you get a brush for each. And then they're going to give you the full-size apron to help keep the hair, out of your shirt and off your clothes. And you will also get a comb along with the care instructions. So very cool. I think what we need to do is take these into the bathroom and give this old head a trim, and that way I can find out if they pull any or snag hair or how cleanly they cut, and I'll let you know. So let's go do that. Alright, so here we are in the bathroom, and we're going to go ahead and see if we can freshen all this up. This beard is getting a little bit scraggly, so let's see what we can do to take care of that. I'm going to be using the Yield number 3 guard. Well, I can tell you that these clippers are no joke. They definitely work very, very quickly and very, very nicely. And there you go. The only thing left to do is get the razor and touch up these little areas right here. Shave the top of my head to the skin. But the clippers work very, very well. Let's go back to the desk and we're going to go over some more specs and features of these clippers. Alrighty, so here we go. The final result. I took a shower, got all the little stubblies shaved off with my razor, and yeah, I'm quite impressed with these clippers. They look very classic, they look very classy, they work extremely well. They do have a self-sharpening design, so you won't have to sharpen them. They'll sharpen themselves as they run. It takes 3 hours to charge them, and you're going to get 300 minutes of runtime. How cool is that? And on top of the large LCD display, it is also a 6500 watt motor, so very, very powerful. Now these have a very nice design. They have the hooks for hanging because they are a professional set. You can run it off of a power bank with a USB-C, or you can run it off the wall with the other cord, the little 2-prong cord that goes in here that you could plug into like a little square adapter. And nothing else to say, but they work extremely well. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.